Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive. So first of all, you need to connect your USB to your laptop. Look, I have already connected. So you need to have at least 8 GB of free space, not only in your USB but also in your C drive. So now next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser, and in the search bar, I will type download Windows 10, and then I will go to this official Microsoft page, and I'm going to go to this link, and then I will go down and I'm going to download the media file. So click download now, and this is going to start the download process. So I'm done. So I'm going to open the exe file, and then I will click yes, and I just need to wait because this is going to take some time. So be patient and please wait for some time. Now I'm going to click accept. So now I'm going to click create installation media USB flash drive. I will click next, and I'm not going to change anything. This is my default setting. Edition is Windows 10, architecture is 64, and the language is English. So click next. And then now I'm going to click this. See, it is already selected USB flash drive. It needs to be at least 8 GB. So click next. And now I will click this G no label. So this is my USB drive. Look, this one G USB drive. And then I will click next. And this is going to take time. So be patient and wait until this is done. So we are done. So it has taken approximately 40 minutes to complete. Look, your USB flash drive is ready. Now I'm going to click finish. Now let me just open my USB drive. So look, the bootable USB drive has been created. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.